Okay, this is just a quick little video to do 6 more practice problems of what we were doing on Friday, writing equations of a system of equations from a word problem, and then you'll have 6 problems to work on. So number 1, Alfred has 9 pens and pencils. He has twice as many pencils than pens. How many does he have of each of them? So step 1 is always to define your variables. It's always going to be step 1. So pencils, I'm going to call X. Pens, I'll call Y. So we know off the bat, I got to write 2 equations, and my pencils and my pens make 9. So X plus Y has to make 9. It is this funny sentence here that makes the other equation. He has twice as many pencils as he does pens. So here's pencils and here's pens. He has more pencils, more of them. So if I want to write an equation, I'm going to write pencils is twice as many. So I have to take my Y and multiply by 2, because 2 times as many pens will get me my amount of pencils. Number 2, Anna's selling candy. She sold 5 more boxes of gummy bears than M&Ms. She sold 21 boxes of candy in all. How many boxes did she sell? And then it tells us right here, very important, let X represent the number of M&Ms and Y gummy bears. So here's my X. X is M&Ms. So X, and then my gummy bears is my Y. So I know that altogether, my X boxes plus my Y box has to equal my 21 boxes. So somewhere I should have X plus Y equals 21. Well, this one doesn't have that. So letter B is automatically gone. And then if you look, it says she sold 5 more boxes of gummy bears than M&Ms. So M&Ms is less. How many less? It's 5 less. So my gummy bears equals my M&Ms plus 5 more. And if you look at these, that has to be letter D. Alexa's going to the carnival. Carnival that has games and rides. So games and rides. So I'm going to write games X, rides Y. Each game, wrong color. Each game costs $3. Each ride costs $4. And all together, she has $54. And 15 games and rides. So my games plus my rides has to equal 15 altogether. Games cost $3, 3 X's, plus rides cost $4, 4 Y, and that's going to equal my $54 I had to spend. Number 4, Jenny earns $2 for each pair of shoes she sells and $3 for the boots. Her total earnings was $61. She has 3 more pairs of shoes than boots. How many pairs of boots did she sell? Okay, we need to edit this one. We're going to cross this one out. How many boots did she sell? And we're going to write the system. So if we start, Jenny earns $2 for each pair of shoes. So the 2 goes with the X, and $3 for each pair of boots, and the 3 goes for the Y. Her total selling was 61. So there's an equation. 2 X's plus 3 Y's equals my $61. She sold, right here, let's get rid of this word if. She sold 3 more pairs of shoes than boots. So she sold 3 more pairs of shoes than boots. So the boots is less. So you take the thing that's less, the y. The thing that's less is my y. I add 3 to that because there's 3 more, and that will equal my thing that is bigger, my x. Mary owns 25 DVDs. The number of comedy DVDs is 5 less than twice the number of drama DVDs. Write a system of equations describing Mary's total number of DVDs, and then it tells me what is what this time. Comedy is x, and drama is y. So we know altogether I have to have 25. So it should be x plus y equals 25. So we got to make sure we have that first. That one has it. This one does not have it. Okay, and then that other funny sentence says the number of comedy DVDs. So comedy DVDs is my x. That's a really ugly x. Let's try again. The comedy DVDs is x. Means equals. Comedy DVDs is 5 less than, so minus 5, twice the number of drama DVDs. Twice drama is y. Twice the y. So there's my other equation. X equals 2y minus 5. Which is what I have right there. So letter B. And the last one. Madison local high school marching band sold gift wrap to earn money for a band trip to Orlando, Florida. The gift wrap sold solid colors for $4. So let's call solid colors my X, and that goes with the 4. And print gift wrap for $6. Let's call this my Y. The total number they sold was 480 rolls. So I have X rolls plus Y rolls equals my 480 rolls. Remember, all your similar label things need to go together. Rolls plus rolls makes my total rolls. Now the money they collected, money is $4 for every X roll plus $6 for every Y roll. And the money they collected was $2,340. So now you will take your time with your friends and finish the back. And then submit it to Google Classroom when you're done.